Hey guys, welcome to today's episode of Cooking with Zero Fuqs. My name is Fuqs, I'm your host, and today I'm making for you guys Gong Bao Jiro, or Kung Pao Chicken. It's a very flavorful dish. I love it, whether it be authentically Chinese made or here at an American Chinese restaurant. It's a great dish. It's also very spicy, and it has peanuts in it, so if you have a peanut allergy, you're gonna make it without peanuts. If you don't like it spicy, you can make it a little less spicy. But past that, let's go ahead and get started. If you like today's video, please go ahead and hit that like button, that subscribe button, and turn on the notifications. That way you can see whenever I have a new video come out. Thank you all for your support. Let's get started. So first things first, you gotta cut the chicken. First thing I'm going to do is just cut it up into little slices. You want to do the best you can to make this into little cubes. Crack open a red wine. We want literally a tablespoon of this. I'm going to make a little space in here for our marinade. So literally a tablespoon. Next, I'm going to do a tablespoon of my dark soy sauce. Smells delicious. So, 2 tablespoons baking powder. Oop. And now we need a teaspoon of cornstarch. All we're going to do is incorporate this really well. And get our chicken up in there. And actually I'm going to use my hands because I'm a barbarian. So now it's time for our sauce. Get some brown sugar in here, 2 tablespoons of it. Love brown sugar, love cooking with it. It's great for Chinese food. So now we need 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Those are our only 2 dry ingredients. Everything else is going to be a wet ingredient. Yeah? So like we're going to need some more dark soy sauce. So just 1 tablespoon of that should be good. Get 2 teaspoons of my hoisin sauce. more of this wine. And we're going to need a half a cup of stock. Gonna need some black balsamic vinegar as well. Now it's time to cut up our veggies. Some green onions, I have some bell peppers, and garlic and ginger, all for different purposes. I have 2 batches of green onions, one for the actual dish and one for garnish. So let's get these roots off first. Now it's time to get our actual chicken to cooking. This is peanut oil. Just enough to coat the bottom of the pan. Should be more than enough. Take our chicken. Actually, take the heat up a little bit. We want this to just brown a bit and cook lightly, so we want to cook for like 3 or 4 minutes. Add some more oil. Let's get all of our greens in here, starting with our garlic, ginger, and our peppers. Toss in some pepper, dried chili pepper. So now we take our sauce mix, make sure it's good and incorporated again, and add to our mixture here. Alright folks, thanks for watching another episode of Cooking with Zero Fuqs. Once again, my name is Fuqs, and I hope you all enjoyed today's meal. I will try and broaden my horizons of what I show you all. So sometimes it might be Asian cuisine, sometimes it might be Middle Eastern cuisine, or just whatever I feel like making. Hope you all enjoyed it once again. If you did, please like, share, subscribe, and most importantly, turn on those notifications. That way you can see whenever I put out a new video. Have a good night, guys.